vegetable again. They are live. Historical place. I want to just show y'all a little bit. Oh, okay. Hi. Good. Oh, they got some cute stuff in here. I guess it's like a little antique place.
Yeah, this is our museum. Tries to be making these detail.
Wow.
The battlefield is like it's hand painted everywhere. These things.
Yeah. Good job.
Mm.
Good job.
This is a, oh, it's a 3-5, okay. That's nice. Yep, it's the food fest, y'all. Got some information on the antique book place or whatever. Yeah, it is the food fest. Y'all look at this house. Beautiful. That is beautiful. Original and beautiful. Act like a child. Be like a child. Act like a child. Be like a child. Act like a child. Swing like a child. Yes. 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 Hey guys. Happy Sunday. Guys, always remember to what? Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, y'all. Get outside, enjoy it, make the best out of it, and don't let nobody steal your peace or your joy. All right, y'all? Ooh. So guys, we decided to barbecue today. That was the plan for last Sunday, but things didn't work out that way. I will tell you guys in another video. Yeah, but right now, just showing you what we barbecued. Hey y'all, I'm just showing you guys, I had decided to make some homemade barbecue sauce, natural. So these are all the items that I used to make this sauce. It really, really turned out great. You will see it. It tasted very, very good.